Assalamu alaikum class. Today is our 26th lecture. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the coordinate system in planes. Now we'll do some more problems related to that previous topic. Now we have an example. Convert the point r theta z, which is given by 5 pi by 6 3 to rectangular coordinate system, using the cylindrical to rectangular conversion equation that produces x equals to 4 cos 5 pi by 6, which gives 4 times minus square root 3 by 2, which is the value of cos 5 pi by 6. It gives minus 2 square root of 3 as a value of x. We have another equation, y equals to 4 sine 5 pi by 6, which is obtained after substituting the values of r and theta, which are given. So it gives 4 times 1 by 2, that gives 2. So y equals to 2, and z remains same in both coordinate systems, so its values is 3, which remains the same as shown in the figure, which gives the transformation of the point in one coordinate system to the other coordinate system. So in rectangular coordinates, the point is xyz, which is given by minus 2 square root of 3 to 3 as shown in the figure, and it is also plotted, you can see in the graph. We have another problem in which we have to find the cylindrical coordinates of the point 1, 2, 3, which are given in Cartesian coordinate system. So as you can see from the question that in the given point there is no angle. So all the points in the Cartesian coordinate system, so x must be 1, y equals to 2, and z equals to 3. So we have to convert this coordinate system into the cylindrical coordinate system. So we know that z remains same. So z in the cylindrical coordinate is also equal to 3. In order to get the values of r and theta, we have the transformation equations, which are given by tan theta y over x, which gives theta equals to tan inverse after substituting the values of y, which is 2, and the value of x, which is 1, that gives 2. So theta equals to tan inverse of 2, that gives theta equals to 63 degree 26 minute and 5.8 seconds. So we have another equation, transformation equation for r square, in order to find out the value of r, which is given by x square plus y square, that gives r equal to square root x square plus y square. Now substituting the values of x and y, we are left with r equals to square root of y. Thus the cylindrical coordinates of the required point is given by square root 5, 63 degrees and 3, which is the 3 units from the z-axis. We have another example in which r theta z are given by 3 to pi by 3 minus 1. We have to find x, y, z, the point in the rectangular coordinate system. X equals to 3 cos 2 pi by 3, that gives 3 times minus 1 by 2, which gives minus 3 by 2. Y equals to 3 sine 2 pi by 3 equals to 3 square root 3 by 2, and z equals to minus 1, which remains same in the both coordinate system. So the required point is xyz, which is equal to minus 3 by 2 equal and y is 3 square root 3 by 2 minus 1, as shown in the figure. Now conversely, we will transform that rectangular coordinate, a point which is in the rectangular coordinate system, which is given by -3, -3, 7. Now we have to transform this point which is in the rectangular coordinate system into the cylindrical coordinate system. We have to find the values of r and theta. So theta is obtained from the transformation equation. Tan theta equals to y over x, which is given by -3 by -3, that gives 1. So tan theta equals to 1, which gives theta equals to tan inverse of 1 plus pi, which is equal to 5 pi by 4, because it is in the third quadrant. So we add pi in it. Similarly, for r, we have an equation square root x square plus y square. On substituting the value of x, which is -3 whole square plus -3 whole square, the value of y, we get square root 9 plus 9, that gives 3 square root 2, which is approximately equal to 7. So the required point in cylindrical coordinate is given by r theta z, which is equal to 3 square root 2, 5 pi by 4, 7, which is a possible answer. We have another example in which we want to convert the Cartesian coordinates for 4, 5, -5, 2 into cylindrical coordinates. From the point we are given with x equals to 4, y equals to -5, and z equals to 2. So the step by step, so we have already have the z coordinates for the cylindrical coordinates, which is z equals to 2, as we have done and practiced in so many questions, that the third coordinate z remains same. So in cylindrical coordinate system it remains same. Okay, and now we have to find out the cylindrical coordinates. The remaining cylindrical coordinates are r, theta. So the step number 2 is that, remember as well, that for r theta we are going to do the same conversion work as we did in converting a Cartesian point into polar coordinates. So getting r is easy. R equals to x square plus y square whole square root. After substituting the values of x and y, we are left with square root 41. Step number 3, in order to find out the value of theta, theta is obtained from the equation equals to tan inverse y over x, where y is -5 and x is 4. So it gives a value -0.8961. In order to get the positive value, so theta 2 equals to -0.8961 plus pi, that gives 2.2455. If we look at the three-dimensional coordinate system from above, we can see that theta 1 is in the fourth quadrant and theta 2 is in the second quadrant. Likewise, from our x and y coordinates, the points in the fourth quadrant as we look at the point from above. Thus, in turn means that we need to use theta 1 for our point.